Hello everyone. This is a video to demonstrate how well Linux Mint works. There's a lot of features to Linux Mint and I want to show you all of them, or a number of them. You see here you can actually get games, you can get internet applications, Office applications, LibreOffice, sound and video. You can play audio, streaming audio, you can play streaming video, and I will show you that right here because I have a number of videos downloaded. And let's just say the old show Recess, and you can either open it with media player, which is in Linux, or you can also get VLC media player, which I really like. I like both of them. So I'm opening this one with VLC, and you can see that. If you want to enlarge it, you want to minimize it, the plus will enlarge, the underscore will minimize. To close, just hit the X. One other thing that I want to show you real quick is LibreOffice. The only time you will have problems with compatibility between LibreOffice and Microsoft Office is if you were like an accountant, because some of the formulas in Microsoft Office are not fully compatible with the the formulas in LibreOffice Calc. Those formulas are the very in-depth formulas, such as standard deviation. Might give you some problems. With LibreOffice, you can just open LibreOffice, go to the LibreOffice index page. I don't want to do an auto recovery right now, so I'm going to say discard it. We don't want to do it, so I'm going to hit cancel. And here is LibreOffice. Just for success, non-emergency, all this stuff. You want to create a new writer document that's comparable to Microsoft Word. Calc is spreadsheet. Impress presentations, that's comparable to PowerPoint. Draw is a drawing. That's just like Visio. I actually used drawing, and I can show you that, to create a family tree. The math formula is if you want to create a formula to quiz maybe your kids or something like that. Base is obviously database, just like Microsoft Access. Now the draw is what I really am very impressed with. I'm going to say open. I want to see if I can. I'm not sure I even have it on this computer, but I know exactly where I can download it from. If anything, it should be in, it's either in documents or downloads. Maybe it's not documents. Let's do downloads. Contact form, that's another thing. Yeah. Alright. Well, I can show you this too. I also have Chrome, Google Chrome on here. I have Opera is another very good web browser, and I also have Firefox on here. All three of them are excellent browsers. Now I'm going to go in because I want to actually show you my family tree that I made with LibreOffice Draw. Because it is, in my opinion, I'm sorry, but it is very impressive. Let's go into personal. Where is it? Family address book. Where is the family tree? It's in here somewhere. Maybe it's in family research. Might be under. There it is. This is the ODG file, and I will download this. Yep, see, open with LibreOffice Draw. And this is what I created with LibreOffice Draw. You see how LibreOffice, it actually reminds me of Microsoft Office, the old versions, probably 2000, yeah, I think 2003 and earlier. The navigation of the 2003 and earlier was amazing, I thought. The navigation now, I am a little disappointed with the navigation in Microsoft Office right now because it just doesn't feel user friendly. This is the PDF, and that's another positive that I will show you. You can actually export everything in LibreOffice to PDF, and it's part of LibreOffice to export it. So this is the PDF right here. Yeah, here we go. That is the family tree using LibreOffice Draw. It's just like Visio, and I'm very impressed with that. If you want to see, if you have any other questions, please let me know. Let's just go to LibreOffice Writer, and this is what I want to show you. See, I think it looks like Office 2003 and earlier, because I really think this is how it used to look. This is how it used to function. Versus right now, you have this ribbon that you can hide, you can minimize, show it. And to me, it just doesn't feel user-friendly like that. I just am not crazy about how it looks. The other thing that I like to show people is multiple desktops on Linux Mint. And Linux in general has multiple desktops. You see how I'm going through all of my desktops right here. I'm using Control Alt and the arrow keys to show you how to go through. If you do Control Alt up, will show you all of the desktops you have. You can actually name them. If you want to give them a personal name, you can. Let's say you want to hold videos on one. You can change it to videos, let's say. And then, see, I press the down arrow because I think that's where I was before, is workspace 4. And then I'm going to go up to videos. You see that? And I'm just really impressed with that. The other thing is I love the function on LibreOffice. I want to change this back to workspace 6. The function on LibreOffice System Manager, I think it is. Yeah, Monitor, System Monitor. See, it looks just like Windows Task Manager. Resources. See this? I just took a screenshot. I think I know where it is. I just restarted the computer today, I believe. Before that, it was on for 50 days. 50. Very impressive. You don't see that very often. I already have files open here. And I think I put that... Where did I put that? Maybe in pictures. It's going to be screenshot. Yeah, this one. 50 days. And you see it actually gives you the time. This was at 6:09 and 11 seconds. It was up for 50 days. I'm not sure. 50. Yeah, I think 50 days and 6 minutes 22 seconds. So that is very impressive. If you have any further questions about LibreOffice, please, if you have any further questions about Linux Mint, please let me know. Comment below, and I will get those comments. It's been wonderful doing this video. Have a good day.